Georgia O'Keeffe is an artist who lived in New Mexico and used the landscape and the nature to inspire her artwork. We're going to use Georgia O'Keeffe's artwork of flowers to inspire us to make some artwork too. The first thing I did is I went on a flower hunt. If I'm going to do flowers in my art, I could look up images on the internet, but that's kind of blah. So I went outside since it's spring and I found a bunch of flowers and took pictures of them. So in Georgia O'Keeffe's work, her flowers are really big and they take up the whole picture. So I zoomed in to every flower I saw and took a picture. Now I know dandelions are technically weeds, but I still think it's kind of pretty when you take a picture close up. This was, I think, a rose in someone's garden. The next thing I did with all my pictures is put them in a collage so I can see them in one image. I did this by using Keynote. So if you've used Keynote, which I know most of you have, you can start a slide and import a photo or video, which will be a photo, and select all your photos. You can take them and kind of change the sizes, move them around, put them where you want. And then when you have your collage all done, you go to the little dots, hit export, and you want to do an images. And then I'll save it as a JPEG. That's right, that's fine. I just have one slide, hit export, and then I'm gonna hit save images. So now I have this in my, I have this in my photos area as a collage of flowers. This can be added to Artsonia itself, and that's all you need to do, but I'm gonna actually show you how to do some flower artwork too. On my flower walk, I also picked up some wisteria. I am not a very smart person when it comes to plants and flowers, so I don't know what kind of flowers most things are, but I learned that these bushes are wisteria and they've been blooming everywhere. And now they're kind of dying, but that's okay. Okay, so we're gonna make some art out of the pictures that we found. You can do this two ways. You can just use a picture. So looking at my pictures, I really liked this one. You can take this picture, use it as reference, and draw and paint on paper if that's what you like to do. So get some paper, get some art supplies, and draw a picture of your flowers, color it in, and it'll be beautiful. So that's one way. The other way is digitally. So on our school iPads, we have this app called Sketches School. It looks like a little marker. If I click in there, it'll open up, and I'm gonna show you how to make some art with your pictures that you've chosen. So I'll hit new. I've already tested it out. I'll hit a new document here. Okay, there we go. I want it this way. I'll hit these little three dots, and there's a little square with an arrow pointing in it. I'll click on that, and I want to click photo, and I can go through and choose the photo I want to use for my artwork. I'm not going to do the whole collage because that's too many, but I'm going to pick one of these pictures. I kind of really like this purple flower. I think it's an iris. I am not 100% sure. Someone had these planted in their garden. That's good. Okay, now that your picture is in your sketches document, you can start drawing. So I'm gonna try to match the color of the purple first. Take, maybe I'll just do a marker. I'm gonna draw an outline, kind of like tracing. Just trace all the way around it. This could look really cool when it's all done. It could be all colored in. Okay, if I want to see what I'm drawing, there's a little eyeball in this top corner. Click it and you can turn off the picture. And it doesn't look the best right now, but it's just the beginning. So I can just draw some more. Then maybe I'll use my pencil and experiment with different color. We'll do light purple and just kind of draw in there. That could look neat. I really want to get that pop of yellow though. So let's use whatever brush that is. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, so I could keep going with this, and I'm going to. This is just the beginning. I just wanted to give you an idea of how to create art using your iPad too. After, let's say this is done. It's not done, but let's say it is. I'm gonna hit these 3 dots, and I'll choose the box with an arrow pointing out of it because we're gonna export it as an image. So I'll save the image. And now if I go to my photos, I have this image saved and I can add that to Artsonia also. Okay, now have fun with flowers. There are awesome flowers around your backyard, in your community. I just went on a 3-block walk and I found like 6 different kinds of flowers. So have fun doing your flower hunt. It's pretty. It's pretty. Like, flowers are really pretty. Just go search them out. Okay, have fun. Bye.